Welcome back. My name is Alana, and if this is the first time you're joining us on the HP, AMD, and Microsoft Digital Road Trip, today we're going to cover some of our newest products that really are coming out here in the fall. We're actually first going to start with one of the products I'm most excited about, the HP ProBook 635 Aero. I'm actually joined today by Max Ritchie, who is the COE, or Center of Excellence, BNB Business Notebook, product lead for the world. Hey, Max, thanks for joining me.
Hey, Alana, pleasure to be here with you.
Thank you so much. I'm super excited about this product. As I mentioned, it's the ProBook 635 Aero. But I have to ask you, what does Aero exactly mean for us here at HP?
All right, that's a great question to start. So Aero is a new brand that we are introducing with this 635 Aero product. And it means light, but without losing, the strength and the design of like the aluminum and magnesium together, right? So this is a super light product, very durable, and it's still right without losing performance. So it's a mix of all the best that we have.
Interesting. All right, I'm gonna double click in a little bit more on something you just mentioned. I'm really excited about this Aero brand because I'm not sure how many people are carrying around their PC today, but man, that can really wear on you. So hearing about this lightweight option in that 600 series, I'm so excited to see this in market. You mentioned, Max, though, performance. Even though it's lightweight, do we lose anything with performance in the process?
So we don't lose anything in terms of performance, Alana. We have the best solution with AMD. So we are loading the latest release, that is the AMD Renoir processors, so the 4000 series. And by the way, we have both options, right? We have Pro and non-Pro processors. Without losing, as I said, the performance, and beyond that, without losing any type of connectivity or expansion, right? That we have in our traditional notebooks made of aluminum. So we have a great product with a great expansibility, right? And we have I have actually a unit with me here right now that I can show you. Right, so it's very thin, very light, so we can go, and in terms of weight, we are talking about going less than 1 kilo product, right? And we still have the HDMI connection, right? Over here, we have a USB-C, we have the traditional USB port as well. So this is great, right? I mean, we are offering the lightest AMD product in the market, but without losing performance, without losing connection, and be ready, right, for our mobile trailblazer users, right? So it's a great solution.
Man, Max, thank you so much for walking me through that. I know you mentioned the mobile trailblazer. Can you just confirm, right? When I'm moving around, or at least when I was moving around and when I will continue to move around, once I get back out into the office, does this come with any sort of specific connections that I can use both in an urban environment, but also a rural type environment?
So we are ready for working anywhere, right? Everywhere. So working from home, working from the office, whatever connection we have available, this machine, right, the 635 Aero G7 can deliver the connection. So why I'm telling you this? Because we can offer options of Wi-Fi, or even this machine is ready for the LTE connection, right? So W1 as well. So it can connect directly to your SIM card, bringing you, right, a high-speed connection without maybe even sharing the WLAN connection that you have in your house or in the office, right? So we are ready for any type of connection as well with this product.
Wow. So lightweight, secure, with high performance and overall connectivity. I expect a certain level of security, specifically when it comes from HP commercial products. Is this product any different from the rest of our security lineup?
I will tell you that this is what we call, right, the mainstream if that's the right name, right? But it is a mix of mainstream. So we are talking about 600 series, but with the best of the security that we have right now in our premium products, right? The elite products. Why I'm telling you this? Because this guy has the full security stack available. That means that we start protecting the BIOS with the Sure Start. We have Sure Run, Sure Recovery. Right? These were security features that previously they were available in our premium series, but now we are introducing this into our 635, right? So Sure Run, Sure Recovery, we have Sure Click, right, to protect your browser. And not only that, but in terms of screen, right, we will have one option of having the Sure View to protect your machine against a visual hacking, right? So we have the latest option. That means the Sure View Reflect loaded into this product. So it's the complete full security stack that we have available.
Wow, that is fantastic. So yet again, HP, AMD, and Microsoft knock it out of the park with, again, a lightweight, the newest Ryzen Pro and non-Pro processors available, and the power and security that we would expect from the trifecta of HP, AMD, and Microsoft. So that really covers like the things that I sort of typically expect from a commercial-based product. What about some of the things or your favorite features of the product? We've heard about things that make our lives easier, like HP Workwell, and also hinge openings to allow for better visibility on the bezel. Can you tell us a little bit about some of those features, specifically on the ProBook 635 Aero?
Yeah, sure. Let me start first, right, with the design itself about this product. So, if we see here, right, the design is including a hinge that allowed us to open the machine, right, from any angle, right, and we can do it with one hand, right. See how it is easy for us to open the machine. This is especially because of this hinge that we have here, right? Then when we open the product itself, right? So we have, although this is a clamshell, right? We have 180 degrees opening. Okay, so this is great as well when you want to share something, right, with colleagues, or even I have already situations that I put the machine over the table, right, and we are in a meeting and we want to capture the better the sound and share, right, the screen. I already did this, to be honest. So moving forward, right, the narrow part that you said, right. So we are bringing 85% screen to body ratio, right? What that means? That means that the product, right, the display has a very thin, narrow border, and we have actually more visual area, right? The angle, the visual area, it is great, right? So we don't have those huge, right, and thicker frames around the product. And by the way, let me tell you something about security, right? Security, we have a way here to protect the camera, right, and close, right, as a mechanical closing of the camera. So we don't need to be worried with someone, turning on or turning off our webcam without our notice, right? So no more stickers in front of the camera. All right, so that's a great feature that was introduced last year with our premium solution, but now it's coming to the 600 series, starting with the 635, right? You told me about the Workwell, right? So what is that? What is Workwell? So most of us, right, will be working a lot actually from home, might be working a lot actually from the office, and sometimes we don't realize how long we stay seated. Right? So Workwell is an application that will come together with HP Image that will tell you exactly and give you tips of it is time for you to, stand up. It is time to maybe you have been working too much with your Outlook, right? So it will measure how long you have been seated, how long you have been using the same app, and it will give you some tips, for you to stretch yourself, right? To stand up, to take a walk, or even to relax, because it can capture how hard we are typing in the keyboard and say, you seem a little bit stressed. Don't you want to take 5 minutes break? right? So that is HP work well.
Wow, thanks so much, Max. I chuckle at a few of those things, only because I know those absolutely would have been excellent resources and tools to have today. And so, the other thing that we've talked about in some of these modules is sustainability. HP has come out in the market as a leader in sustainability really across our product fleet. Does the HP ProBook 635 meet those same specs and requirements that we've come to expect from HP?
Yes, sure it does. So first, right, we are using, as we comment, a new chassis, right, a new material that we introduced it with some premium products, but now we are bringing to the mainstream. That means magnesium, right? So magnesium is a material that can be recycled, okay, together with the aluminum. So we are starting right there, right? Our chassis can be 62% of that can be recycled, right? The backlight on the keyboard, right? So it is made of recycled DVDs as well, right? Part of the speakers are made of recycled material. The box itself, right, that we ship the product inside, we have the cushions, and they are made of a material, right, a pulp that is recycled as well. So this is great because we are adding, right, and we continue, right, to be very strong on this environmental, right, concern. And our product is bringing the best in class about recycling and reusing materials. Not only that, right, so we will have a PEAT Gold certification. We will have Energy Star, right, certification in the highest level. And these certifications can assure you that you have the best in class product in terms of environmental, concern, and have the best in class of recycling.
Thanks, Max. I absolutely appreciate that. That continues to be a focus area for me because I want to make sure that we're leaving this world in a better place. It's not just about the unit, but it's about making sure we're being mindful of the world around us. Now, you did mention, though, some really, really impressive materials. I think most of our watchers know that I have 4 little ones at home, which means they're constantly touching everything. Is this PC maybe what I would consider wipeable as well?
Oh, that's a great point, right? So yes, it is, right? It is a sanitizable PC. So that means that we have run some tests about it together with different solutions, right? Different chemicals. So the complete product is cleanable, right? So that means the keyboard, the display, the chassis itself, and our customers don't need to have any concern because the painting, right, of the magnesium will not be damaged, right? Not only that, but I want to give you a tip on this product because it is made of magnesium, a high quality material, and because we have choose, right, a very quality painting, right, high quality painting. That product can even pass the 1,000 wipe cycle with a higher level cleaning, right? This is a feature that it is present in our Elite books, right? So 835, 855, 845, but it's also present in our 635 Aero G7, right? So as we said, right, it is the premium going to mainstream.
I love that term, mainstream. You're absolutely right, Max. We get this premium experience with whether you're an SMB or enterprise with the pro or non-pro AMD offering. You get the security of a premium device, the materials of a premium device. And as Kirk has told us in the past, premium does not mean plastic. And we also get all of the business continuity and features that we would typically expect of a premium-based device. But in the 635, incredibly affordable and lightweight series. So Max, one last thing before we go, because we've covered all of the security offerings and et cetera, and all the things that are really exciting about the ProBook 635 Aero. What are the top few features that when we look at the HP device in the market, where we can say, hey, we lay claim here and we win?
Okay, that's a great question. So first of all, this product is the lightest AMD product in the market. Okay, so I will tell you that I have not seen any product with AMD in the market that can achieve the sub 1 kilo point, right? So very lightweight, right? Then we have the other feature is durability, right? As I was mentioning right now, you asked me about sanitization. So because we are using magnesium, right, this is a very durable product that can offer, this possibility of being sanitized, but without being damaged at all, right? And then we go to the other part that is about connectivity, right? When we check the market, right now there is no option, right, of W1 like we can offer in this solution. So it is great. It is a great opportunity to mention this to our customers, especially for those that are working from home and they are sharing that internet connection with other folks, that might be studying from home or might be working from home, right? So this product can allow you to work in a W1 connection, very fast, high speed, stable connection without the need of sharing your Wi-Fi, right? So those are key, I would say, features about this product.
Thanks so much, Max. Unfortunately, I think our time is going to have to come to an end because much like everybody who's working from all over the world today, I've been joined by one of the littlest of my little family unit here. So thanks again, Max, for joining me today and really walking us through the HP ProBook 635 Aero. We hope to see you again soon. And for everyone else who's watching, please feel free to always email us and ask any questions you have. Thanks.
Thank you. Bye-bye.